We've just started our Introduction to Physics unit in the 8th grade, and we are integrating some important hands-on learning projects. In this little clip, we're demonstrating our balloon-powered race cars, which incorporate the concepts of potential and kinetic energy as well as Newton's laws of motion. The kids are all using recycled materials to design and build their very own race cars, powered by nothing but the inflation of a balloon. They have the opportunity to all play with their own creative process, explore scientific and engineering practices, and identify the cross-cutting concepts that really tie the whole curriculum together. When the students are done with this process of designing, the culmination of this project is to do a giant race throughout the hallway. So this is always something that we have a lot of fun with, and I think it's just so important to give students the opportunity to discover learning from themselves.